Few months ago, my husband and I decided to move to Germany. That is the reason why I want to learn German. I have to admit, during the first few months here was really a struggle for me. I had a hard time adapting to the culture. I had a hard time doing transactions in the offices. I had a hard time communicating with people. So I decided to take the class of Salome, and the program really helped me a lot. First, it helped me gain more vocabulary words. Second, it helped me improve my grasp or understanding of the grammatical structures of the German language. And third, it also helped me be able to practice daily conversations with my co learners about the different living situations here in Germany. And when I talk with my friends here in Germany and my colleagues and my family members, they notice that my German skills is really improving a lot, and I am more confident now to talk with people, and I am also more conscious about the structure of how I will be saying the sentences. I am really thankful for the program because it is still helping me improve in my journey to learning the German language. So if you're considering learning Deutsch, I would really encourage you to take this program because it will give you a very good foundation in learning the German language.